So it's the same vertical away from home.
In my warm up.
Vertical away from home, okay? Then you're gonna come around
You need your
and you're
first
gonna do
100 round
that
already?
natural
Yes.
jump that's across the center,
Okay.
bending to the oxer of the judge's line,
This will be her third.
okay? Just nice, easy curve. Watch Megan.
Where's
do
she
it.
she's doing her last
Oh,
one.
she's doing her other horse. Sorry, forget it. So
I'm not,
that
no, I'm
one
not
bending to
doing
the
any of
opposite of what we did. You're on, but totally fine. Okay.
did that one. Oh, stop it.
We did that bending line. Oh, you never did. Oh, you didn't get there. I did it. I did it. Anyway, good for you. So after you do the bending line, then you go to the oxer on the diagonal,
Okay.
to the outside line, to the bending line. The bending line is the last thing, but I don't want you to trot and let Magic trot all the way back down here. I want you to trot down there and somewhere you can walk back to the gate.
Okay. So can't
Okay.
do the corner.
You can